Hi, here we're going to look at making a simple model with Stella just to get you familiar with the Stella modeling environment. The first thing that I'll do is I'll put a stock on the screen, and to be consistent with the first assignment, I'll put the identification C for that stock. That's for content. The idea here is we're trying to simulate the content of a lake. Water content of a lake. And then I'll have an inflow here, and I'll just write this as inflow. It's easiest to change the names when you first put the icon, drag and drop the icon on the screen, but you could easily change the name later on by clicking right on the name. I'm going to start off with a initial value of 50 acre-feet. You might want to think of this as 50 acre-feet above the mean level for the lake, where 0 would be not an empty lake, but the mean level for the lake. And then here's an inflow, and I'll just set a value of 5, a fixed value of 5. And so that's all there is to creating a model. But the model is pretty useless unless you can see some output. So I'll put a graph here by clicking up here on the graph pad icon, pasting it there, just clicking on the screen anywhere where it's blank, and then this tacks the graph down, that little thumbtack icon. Double click on the graph itself, and then you can select the two things that you want to graph. Okay. And in the assignment, it asks you to run the model for 20 years. I've already changed that, or excuse me, 20 days. The units we're using are days. And then we can just run the model by clicking this little run icon, or go up here to run, or use the Control R, however you want to do that. And I'll just go ahead and run it. And here we have the model output. The blue color here is the content, and the red is the inflow, the constant inflow. I can double click on this graph and make thick lines to make it a little bit more visible. And so that's it.